Hi, my name is Brie Clark and I'm a software expert, and today I'm going to show you how to display a histogram in Excel. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your Analysis Toolpak add-in enabled. And to do this I'm going to go to File, Options, and I'm going to click on Add-ins on the left. Now here I can see that my Analysis Toolpak is inactive. So I need to go down to the bottom where it says Manage Excel Add-ins and click Go. Here I can check the Analysis Toolpak checkbox and click OK to load the add-in. Now when I go to the Data tab, I'll see this extra section to the right for data analysis. But before we start, we need to set up our bins. I want to do a histogram that shows me the distribution of subjects' length in feet by these different values. And so I want to just break those into a foot at a time. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this will go ahead and break them into buckets of 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, and 4 foot, and then we'll see what it does with the rest of the values. So now let's begin. We'll click on Data Analysis and choose Histogram and click OK. And first we'll pick the input range. The input range is going to be all of these different lengths. The bin range is going to be the 1, 2, 3, 4 we just entered. And we'll let it go ahead and put that in a new worksheet. We'll also get some chart output to see what that looks like. And click OK. And so what it does is it puts those length values into buckets. How many fit in the 1 foot bucket, the 2 foot bucket, 3, 4, and more. And then it made a nice graph of that as well. My name is Brie Clark. I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to display a histogram in Excel.